This video will be about a quick solution on how to avoid slag inclusions while running pipe or anything with a circumference on positioners, turntables, or rollers. You must have the correct dialed-in parameters, electrical stick out, and travel speed for this technique to solve the problem. By correcting the torch placement and placing the torch center of the pipe as displayed on the screen while running Flux-Core, dual shield, or stick, and maintaining a center of gravity while dragging the bead, the weld puddle will stay in front of the slag. When welding in the 3G vertical uphill position, as being displayed on the screen, we'll keep the slag behind the weld puddle, similar to welding on the flat position while maintaining proper torch placement at the center of gravity on any circumference. Keep in mind that the welding process will dictate the outcome of the technique. For example, when using MIG or TIG, you don't have to worry about slag, but both MIG and TIG are more prone to lack of fusion due to lack of penetration. It all depends on who's welding and how it's being welded. Now, Flux-Core, dual shield, stick, and sub-arc all leave slag behind. Sub-arc is a different animal and requires a different technique in its own video for another time. So this brings me to the conclusion. This video was short with a simple and practical solution to avoid slag inclusions. When welding with Flux-Core or dual shield on pipe on a positioner or rollers, dialed in parameters, electrical stick out, and travel speed, which would render this technique irrelevant if the pipe or anything with a circumference remains in a stationary position. That being said, you can always mix and blend any technique and spin it to your needs to create another technique to solve another problem with a different scenario and still achieving a positive outcome to resolve and find a solution to a problem.